guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. Today I am cleaning out my fridge and freezer, and I challenge you to do the same. It doesn't have to take all day, it's just one thing. You can really knock it out. It feels great to open up the fridge, see it all nice and clean and organized, and it's just one thing you can do today. So I challenge you to do the same. So I'm going to let you know what I use and my method of cleaning. I know I've shared this before, but in case you're newer to my channel or you haven't watched that video, I go shelf by shelf. I just take everything off of that one shelf. I think this is best because it can feel a little overwhelming if you take everything out of the refrigerator, especially for those of you who have little kids. I know I've been the mom of little kids, and sometimes you get distracted or they need you, and what are you going to do if you have all of your fridge contents on the counter and you need to tend to them? It just is a lot easier if you go shelf by shelf. So I take everything out. I use vinegar and water. I use distilled white vinegar. I fill a spray bottle about a third or a half full with the vinegar and then the rest with water. I really like to use this in the fridge because we can consume vinegar, so it's safe to spray around your food, and the vinegar smell dissipates. It gets set all the time, but if you want to, you can add a little essential oils. So I just spray down the shelves and then put everything back. I even wipe out the containers, the organizers, and then of course, if anything looks old or has expired, then I will get rid of that. We do try to use all of our food, and I eat leftovers for lunch a lot, so we usually don't have too much to throw out, thankfully. But if you have something you're not sure how long it's been in there, you might want to throw that out. If you'd like to check out the organizers that I use, I will link them below. I did a video sharing how I organize my fridge, and I'll link that video below also. I would like to know if you guys would like to see more cleaning challenge videos like this. My cleaning videos are my most popular videos, and even if I don't do a cleaning video for a week and a half or so, I get asked about them. So I know that for a lot of you, they are motivating and it gets you up and gets you cleaning. So I definitely want to make videos that you all enjoy, but I don't want you to get tired of seeing me clean the same things over and over. And you know that I follow a system, and I have videos on all of that. I'll link the playlist below in case you're newer to my channel. But I thought I could show myself cleaning one thing or one area and then motivate you with a video and challenge you to do the same. So let me know if you would like to see videos like that on my channel. Also, once you have your fridge and freezer cleaned, post a picture on Instagram and tag me. I'm How Jen Does It on there. I'll leave a link to my Instagram, but I think it would be just a great way to motivate us to clean out our fridge and freezer, and it will challenge you to get yours done so you can post your picture. Okay, that's all clean. It feels good to have the fridge and freezer clean, and it really did not take that long. So definitely post your pictures on Instagram and remember to tag me at HowJenDoesIt. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and definitely let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys.